Welcome to This Explainer. I'm your host, and today we're cutting straight to the chase. We're diving specifically into Cambridge Biology 9700, Syllabus Section 10.1, Infectious Diseases. We're going to bypass all the fluff, break down exactly what examiners are secretly looking for, and show you how to secure those top-tier marks. So, let's jump right into this critical question. Why is evaluating evidence so difficult? Well, principal examiner reports consistently flag this exact area as a massive grade boundary risk. A lot of students walk into the exam room thinking a giant memory dump of pathogen life cycles is going to be enough, but then they completely freeze up when they hit a data analysis question. And the kicker is, you aren't just missing one single mark here, you're losing all those compounding marks that come from successfully evaluating the evidence sitting right in front of you.
It actually all boils down to one very specific number: 3. There are exactly 3 massive pitfalls highlighted in the examiner reports that routinely derail otherwise perfect exam papers. Year after year, globally, examiners are seeing the exact same careless errors.
Here they are. Number 1, slapping the wrong terminology onto the wrong context. Number 2, completely forgetting to check units, especially when you're dealing with practical data questions. And number 3, providing generic, non-specific answers. Look, if the exam stimulus gives you a case study about malaria, your answer absolutely must anchor directly to the Plasmodium pathogen and its specific transmission cycle. General biology just won't cut it.
All right, let's move into our first major area, the conceptual framework, or basically, how to think like an examiner.
To actually avoid those pitfalls, we have to shift our mindset from just memorizing biological facts